Masters Vessel Classical Academy, Primary Section. On the roll.
Hello pupils, how are you doing at home? I trust you are doing great. It is my pleasure to welcome you again in today's lesson in verbal reasoning. Our subject now is verbal reasoning, and the topic we'll be treating today is homophones. What did I say is our topic? Homophones. Say it again. Homophones. And homophones is spelled H-O-M-O-P-H-O-N-E-S. Homophones. Can you spell homophones, children? I want to hear you spell homophones. Okay, you've done well. So we are going to be learning homophones today, and your teacher is Mrs. Lovelyn, and as you know, I'm teaching primary 4 pupils. So I want you to sit down, bring out your writing materials, sit down and pay rapt attention to me, because by the end of this lesson, you should be able to say the meaning of homophones. Again, you should be able to give as many homophones as possible. And lastly, you should be able to carry out giving exercises on homophones. Before we proceed, I want us to recall what we did in our last lesson on verbal reasoning. During our last lesson on verbal reasoning, we treated antonyms. And I know that you still remember the meaning of antonyms. We say that antonyms are words that have words and opposites. Words and their opposites. And we gave examples such as present, absent, light, heavy, and so on. We also made mention that there are some antonyms that can be formed by adding prefixes. And we say that prefixes mean a prefix means a word, letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a letter, of a word, to change the meaning of that word. So we also form some antonyms by means of prefix. Examples were moral and immoral, perfect and imperfect, and so on. We also form some other antonyms by changing the suffixes of some words, changing suffixes or prefixes of some words. For example, careless, careful, and careless, inside and outside, etc. So let's quickly go into what we have today. I told you our topic today is homophones. That is our topic today. And let us begin by saying this short poem. Let's say this short poem. Whether the weather be fine, whether the weather be hot, whether the weather be cold, we will weather the weather. Whatever the weather, whether we like it or not. Can we take the poem once again? Whether the weather be fine, whether the weather be hot, whether the weather be cold, we will weather the weather. Whatever the weather, whether we like it or not. Okay, now, from the poem we just said now, you notice that though weather and weather have a similar sound, they have different meanings and spellings. The first word that we saw there is spelled W-H-E-T-H-E-R, weather. We have the other weather which is spelled W-E-A-T-H-E-R. They have different spellings. They also have different meanings. The first weather, the W-H-E-T-H-E-R weather, is a conjunction which is used to express a doubt or choice between two possibilities. For example, I will see whether you can write or not. Whereas the other whether, which is spelled W-E-A-T-H-E-R, is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. So they have the same sound. The two weathers have the same sound, but they have different meaning and different spellings. So therefore, homophones are words of the same sound or pronunciation, but are different in meaning and spelling. Children, I have just told you the meaning of homophones, and I say that homophones are words of the same sound or pronunciation, but are different in meaning and spelling. I want to hear you say the meaning of homophones. I'm listening to you. Good. Wonderful, children. You've done very well. So homophones, once again, are words of the same sound or pronunciation, but are different in meaning and spelling. Okay, here are some other pairs of words which have similar sounds. Let us take them one after the other. The first word we have on the screen is spelled A-T-E. A-T-E. Eight. And beside it, you will see E-I-G-H-T. Eight. So you see, they sound alike, but they have different meaning and different spelling. So let's proceed. The next word there is H-Y-M-N. And beside it, you see H-I-M. Him. H-Y-M-N. Him. H-I-M. Him. Next, M-A-L-E and M-A-I-L. They have the same sound, which is what? Male. Okay? The next word is H-I-G-H-E-R. Higher. H-I-G-H-E-R. Higher. And the word beside it is H-I-R-E. Higher. Another word is B-U-Y. By. And beside it, you can see B-Y. By. The two of them have the same sound, but different spellings and different meanings. Okay? The next word is M-A-I-D. And beside it, you see another word, which is M-A-D-E. Made. Made and made. Okay. The next one is F-U-L-L. I hope you are repeating the spellings after me and the pronunciation of the words. F-U-L-L. Full. Then beside it, you also have another full, which is spelled F-O-O-L. Full. Okay. The next word is N-O-N-E. None. And beside it, you have N-U-N. None. Another word there is B-R-E-A-K. Break. Beside it, you have B-R-A-K-E. Break. Okay, let's go on. We have also B-E and B-E-E. Both of them have the same sound. B. B. But their spellings are different as well as their meanings. Okay? Okay, the next word is B-A-R-K. And beside it, you have B-A-C-K. Back. Back. The next word is A-N-T. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. And beside it, you have A-U-N-T. Ant. So, take note that A-U-N-T is not ant. Rather, it is ant. It has the same pronunciation as A-N-T. So, it is ant. Okay? The next word is F-L-O-U-R. Flower. F-L-O-U-R. Flower. And beside it, you have another word that has similar sound. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Flower. Okay. The next word is B-U-S, bus, B-U-S, bus, and also B-O-S-S, bus, the same sound, different spellings and different meanings, okay? The next word is beat, B-I-T, beat, and B-E-A-T, beats. The next word is C-A-U, C-A-U, G-H-T, cut, and C-O-U-R-T, cuts. The next word is W-E-E-K, week, W-E-E-K, week, and W-E-A-K, week. And the next word we have on the screen is M-E-E-T, M-E-E-T, meat, and M-E-A-T, meat. So, we've been able to see some pairs of words which have similar sounds but different meanings and different spellings. You can find other words. I know that these ones on the screen here, these ones you have here now, are not the only homophones. So, you can also find other ones and add to these ones we have here, okay? Now, let's proceed. We have the practical part of it. So let us practice the following together. I want you to please practice this section with me. Number 1, we have Christians. Christians dash to God. And in the bracket, you will see two words. Two words that sound the same but have different spellings and different meaning. The two words are P-R-E-Y and P-R-A-Y. Both of them are pray, pray. So, in this space, what are we going to put there? Is it Christians pray as in P-R-E-Y or P-R-A-Y? Christians pray to God. Chiamaka, answer. Which one is the correct answer? Okay, the correct answer is P-R-A-Y. Christians pray to God. Good. Number 2, the bell was rung twice. And we have two rungs there. The first rung is W-R-O-N-G and R-U-N-G. Which is the correct rung to be fixed in that sentence? Victor, can you answer? Okay, yes, you said it is R-U-N-G. Good, the bell was rung twice. Number 3, please pay your fare to the bus conductor. We have the first fare there, which is F-A-I-R, and another fare, F-A-R-E. Which is the correct answer? David, may you answer? Okay, good. You said the correct answer is F-A-R-E. Good, you are correct. Please pay your fare to the bus conductor. Number 4, put the pot on the stove. And we have two pots there. The first one is P-O-T and the second one is P-O-R-T. Which is the correct answer? Blessing, may you answer? Okay, the correct answer is P-O-T. Correct. So, the answer is put the pot on the stove. Okay, number 5. There was a great big bear in the zoo. And we have two bears there. The first one is spelled B-E-A-R and B-A-R-E. Which is the correct one? Uche, answer. Okay, you said it's B-E-A-R. Correct. There was a great big bear in the zoo. Okay, number 6. Do not waste the food. And we have two words in the bracket. The first one is W-A-I-S-T. And the second one is W-A-S-T-E. Emmanuel, I want you to answer this number 6. Okay, the answer is W-A-S-T-E. Do not waste the food. Correct. Number 7. The farmer bought some materials, and we have two bots there. The first bot is B-O-U-G-H-T, and the other bot is B-U-T. Which is the correct answer? Chairman, may you answer? Okay, you say that the correct answer is B-O-U-T-H-G-H-T. Correct. The farmer bought some materials. Number 8. Esther was born in August. Esther was born in August. We have two bands there. The first band is B-O-U-B-O-R-N. And the next one is B-U-R-N. Which is the correct answer? Esther, answer. Okay. The answer is B-O-R-N. Esther was born in August. Number 9. Have you read the passage? We have two reads there. The first one is spelled R-E-D. And the second one is spelled R-E-A-D. Which is the correct answer? Success, may you please answer? Okay. The correct answer you say is R-E-A-D. Correct. Have you read the passage? Number 10. Come over here and have a look. And we have two looks there. The first one is spelled L-U-K-E. And the second one is spelled L-O-O-K. Which is the correct answer? Treasure, may you please answer number 10? Okay. You said that the correct answer is L-O-O-K. Correct. Come over here and have a look. By that, we have come to the end of the practical section. Now, the lesson has come to the end. We have come to the end of this lesson. But before we go, a recap of what we have done so far. And like I told you, our topic for today is homophones. Our topic for today is homophones. And I told you that homophones are words of the same sound or pronunciation but are different in meaning and spelling. We also gave some examples of homophones. We also had our practical section, and now have your assignment. Take down your assignment, which must be done and submitted to me as soon as possible. Now the assignment is complete each of the following sentences with the proper word selected from the brackets. Let me repeat the instruction. Complete each of the following sentences with the proper word selected from the brackets. 1. They dash their clothes. And we have two options there. The first option is S-O-W and the next one is S-E-W. So choose the correct answer and fix it in the gap. Okay? Number 2, the dash shines brightly. And we have two options, S-U-N and S-O-N for number 2. Number 3, his bicycle is for dash. You have H-I-G-H-E-R and H-I-R-E. Choose the correct answer and fix it in the gap. Number 4, she saw Andrew last dash. And the options are W-E-A-K and W-E-E-K. Choose the correct answer and fix it in the gap. Then number 5, dash pens are bad. Dash pens are bad. And you have the H-E-R-E and the H-E-I-R. Choose the correct answer and fix it in the gap. Number 6, the occurre is the dash of our school. You have two principles there. Choose the correct one. Please choose the correct one. Their spellings are different. The first one is spelled P-R-I-N-C-C-I-P-A-L and P-R-I-N-C-I-P-L-E. So choose the correct principle and fix it in the gap. 7. Number 7. Let me take number 7 again. To dash. Sorry. There's a mistake in that number 7. You can skip number 7. Number 8. The monkey has a long dash. The monkey has a long dash. And you have two options. The first option is T-A-L-E. And the other one is T-A-I-L. Choose the correct answer and fix it in the gap. Number 4, dash is used in baking bread. And we have two options. First option is F-L-O-U-R. Second option is F-L-O-W-E-R. So choose the correct answer and fix it in the gap. Number 10, which is the last number. The wind dashed the paper away. The wind dashed the paper away. You have two options. The first option is B-L-U-W. B-L-E-W and B-L-U-E. Choose the correct answer and fix it in the gap. Okay, wonderful children. We have come to the end of today's lesson. I remain your teacher, Mrs. Edward Lovelyn Obi, and from me to you is bye for now.